Ihaw ng asfalto'y sobra ang init, parang nasa toaster ang nadarama. Todo pedal sabay, padyak na buong lakas, di mapigil tulo ng pawis ko. Sobrang haba ng summer holiday at mukhang di na tayo magkikita. Subukan ko kaya nasa pool magpunta, tumalon ng napakalakas. Kapag may crush ka sa isang lalaki, damdamin ay nag-iinit like summer. Paano na ang aking damdamin? Oh my pumpkin, nandyan ka pala, ang aking pumpkin. Never ever thought that I would find you swimming there, as if I saw a mermaid that suddenly appeared. I was stunned and my eyes were open wide. Oh my pumpkin, my special someone, please take a look at me. Even only for a moment, only you can do. A simple way between us is what I wanna do. Yes, it's just what I've been dreaming of. Mga bata'y naglalaro sa tubig, nagpapalakasan sila ng talsik. Hindi ko na mapigil at ako'y sumali rin, siguradong di patatalo. Kahit pa magbabad ako sa tubig, di mawala ang init ng damdamin. Himalang pag-ibig na ito. You're my pumpkin, so near yet so far. You are my pumpkin, seems like you just figure out what is inside my heart. You're wrapped up in a towel, together with your friends, poolside, we're chat with everyone. You're my pumpkin, oh my crush and secret, but only in my mind. Just to see you really brings me happiness inside. But I know that someday, when I look back on today, it's the hottest summer of my life. Oh my pumpkin, nandyan ka pala, ang aking pumpkin. Hindi ko inaasahan na makita ka, tila parang sirena, napabigla-bigla, nangulat, mata ko ay namangha. Oh my pumpkin, aking iniibig, sa'kin ay tumingin, kahit nasa sandali ako iyong dinggin. Ang simple way between us ang gusto kong gawin, ito lang ang ninanais ko. Ikaw nga, ikaw ang pumpkin ko.